Okay, we got Mike's Honda in here. Hi, guy there. Jarvis's Auto and Fabrication. So here we got the Honda. We'll do some before and afters here, and yeah, this car here is going to get a turbo. It's going to get a body kit, carbon fiber spoiler. It's going to get leather interior. Got the boys working on it back here already. It's got the cloth seats in there. Part of the armrest of the seat. But this is what it looks like now.
Sometimes I give myself
Battery's going to be relocated to the trunk. Car's going to get a stereo system and subwoofer and speakers, turbo. Battery's going to the trunk. I've already done the Angel Eyes projector headlights. Now he's working on getting the battery out. I'm going to run some cable out to the trunk. And yeah, got a crap load of parts here. Here's the seat. Got everything set up. Drill press bandsaw, another drill press. Carbon fiber in the roll there. Got the spoiler in that box there, the big one. Got the radio. Kenwood Acceleron radio and some gaskets there. Within the trunk. Look in the trunk. Yeah, right there behind him. Got some all new brake rotors and crap there. And need to go to this side because that side's kind of blocked off. Alright, here we are. We got parts everywhere. Alright, so we have the intercooler. Not sure what's in there. That is a carbon fiber wrap. That's the carbon fiber under bumper spoiler. Got some intercooler pipe, or not intercooler, air intake pipe. Some cool exhaust tips here. Check those bad boys out. Yeah. Those are pretty awesome, huh? It's got the carbon fiber. Alright. This is all intercooler piping here. Or, well, not all of it, but most of it. Got our, well, that's not the turbo, but that's one of them. Or, well, the same style anyway. That piece is off. Where's that other piece at? Right now our air conditioner is in the way.
Are you looking for this?
Oh, greasy. Just washed my hands. Anyway, yeah, the AC is in the way, so we're gonna try to. Oh, where's my finger? There we are. We're gonna try to shim that all the way back to here, so then the pipe can come down. Other than that, it hits the AC. Getting her done. That there. Yep. Had to make it bigger. Obviously. Like, holy cow, like the nubs barely even fit around the manifold there.
Yeah, I know.
But anyway, yeah, there's all kinds of crap here. What the hell is that? Oh, wow. Got the wastegate right there. check these spark plug wires out.
Ignition system.
Here's my finger. It's almost as big as my friggin' finger.
10
Almost
millimeter.
as big as my pinky finger. Got cap and external rotor. Got all kinds of crap here. Kids basically stripped the interior out of the car. Got the door panels off. Instrument cluster. Whole car stripped. It's going to get stereo equipment and gauges, and it's going to have leather seats. Yeah, she stripped everything but the headliner here so far. But yeah, got all the door panels off. He's got another identical car, except for it's the V6 model. And it's got the leather interior. There's a lot of the interior parts right in that box there. Trunk's still pretty much complete for now. All this carpet stuff's gonna get pulled out. We got Dynamat to do the whole trunk. And all the door panels. And not sure. Doing the floor inside the cab too? Yeah. That Dynamat? Yeah. We're trying to find this close quarters. It basically comes out and the pipe's like straight up to it. So it can go right down past the AC down there. Through that, or we're gonna have to shim that AC way out. Yeah, that tab there busted right off the motor. But yeah, got everything apart. There's already been some work done to it. Wires and valve cover. We put a timing belt in it. Now I tell you what, that fucking pulley down there, that harmonic balancer, stupidest shit I've ever seen. Gotta have this special tool. I made one out of a piece of 1/4-inch wall, 2x2 square stuck, and even with this thing and a freaking pipe wrench and a cheater bar on there, I could barely even get that fucking bolt to break loose inside there. And it was crazy, way over tight. Battery's gonna be in the trunk, so that's gonna be eliminated. Cable ends are gonna get cut. Put all new ends on. Distributor ignition system's getting changed. Headlights we did just a few months ago, a couple months ago, something like that. Did the Halo Angel Eyes. I think they're just halogen projectors right now. Everything else is LED, but the headlight's halogen. And you got a new bumper for this too. Or no, using that off that other car, that's right. Yeah. That's what come off that turbo. It's in the car now. The one that's got the wastegate, internal wastegate flapper. This guy right here. Doing away with that and going external wastegate right there. And then this car is a 4-lug, but he's got 5-lug rotors right there, whole set of 5-lug rotors, and brake pads, ceramic pads. And that car, the other donor car, is all 5-lug. So we're going to be putting those hubs on here and converting everything to 4-wheel disc. He's got an oil catch can floating around here somewhere, right there. The oil catch can. Oil filter relocate, transmission relocate. It's got AN fittings, high pressure line, drain line. That's just the bracket for the alternator. Spare turbo. Whatever else here we got. External coil, got the cap, wires, LED lights. I think that's a personal box. Yeah, we got more crap. There's battery cables. Not sure what's in that box down there. That's the radio that's going in there. Right there. And we got the blow-off valve. For the exhaust system, we already got 2.5-inch exhaust going all the way back. We ripped the stock exhaust off this manifold. Well, not this one, this factory manifold. But yeah, it's 2.5-inch exhaust. We already got part of it in. The rest of it's right here. Got some different bins and whatnot to go from the turbo. And that's all stainless steel. Everything's stainless steel exhaust. You've seen those tips there. Those are pretty sweet. But yeah, we're getting her done, man. Got the torch out. We had to trim. This is a 98 Honda Accord. Sorry for everybody that needs to know here. This is a 98 Accord sedan. 4-door sedan. With the 2.4 liter VTEC, I think this is. A 2.4. No, let's find out. Let's get you up to the tag information here. And there. It's far away from me, but I think I said 2.3. Anyway, had to notch this motor mount out right there. Cut the lip off of it, just so the block of the turbo right there. Of course, the camera don't want to focus now all of a sudden. Ah, there it goes. Anyway, that was hitting. And yeah, I'll show you more. Might even do a time lapse of some stuff here. We'll see how it goes. Need to see where my memory is at on my card. But yeah, we'll probably just let her roll once we get going. We'll definitely start time-lapsing some video once we get this downpipe figured out. Once we get that downpipe figured out in the AC part, it's gonna be going pretty strong. So until then, alright, we'll show you some more.